Good afternoon and welcome. It's Gillykube from Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a pour on I think it's a 35 centimetre round canvas. Just check it. Oh, it's a 40 centimetre round canvas. A lovely nice big round to do this pour on. I'm actually, for the very first time, giving these split cups a go. I have a double split cup of my own. So I'm giving these split cups. This is a guy from Queensland called Tim Husband that's creating these cups, and I will put a link down below for you to email Tim if you would like to purchase one of his cups. So I am giving them a go. He has sent me a few different ones to try. I have a flower pour scallop open cup, and I have a floating cup with separate segments in it. So I'll give each one of them a try, because I haven't tried these ones with more than 2 compartments in. So wish me luck, wish me luck. I'm not absolutely sure what kind of thickness you need to have your paints to work out best, but I'm just gonna try what I think might be okay. So I think that will be good enough, good enough. So okay, what did I make this up? A phthalo blue and silver is this colour. So I'll start off with, I'm not sure if you can add more than 1 cup. I suppose I'll rephrase that. You can do whatever you choose to do. There's no rules. Remember, the only rule is there's no rules. So you just do what works best for you. So I'm going to give this a go with my little concoction here. So that is the it's burnt sienna, a good amount of burnt sienna with gold. So it kind of makes like a bronzy look. This is just the turquoise. So I think I need a separate kind of cup to tip into those, I suppose. I don't know. You just give it a go, hey? Just give it a go. I might just try and pour some white into, which I've got pre-made up. I'm not sure if this is going to be too thin. I'll just check it out. Ooh, it looks thin. No, I think I'd prefer it a bit thicker. But just want to try and put the same amount in each side. But I'm just, remember, this is my first go with this cup, so I'm just gonna fly by the seat of my panties and go for it. So this is cerulean, that's the cerulean blue. Really think I want to put some of this. This is magenta. Oh, that looks a bit blobby. I hope that isn't. Behave, behave. Might go back here to this lovely metallic, which was custom colour I made, as I just told you. So pretty exciting. Hoping that it all works out well. I have got, I can use the white as if I need more colour around the outside. That's super fine, super cool. Oh, and by the way, this is on my this is my Lazy Susan. I don't know why they call them Lazy Susans. This was off my back table, my barbecue table, so I've nicked it. I pinch everything out of the house. It's a wonder there's anything left in there. So I am just really weary about doing this, so I'll just give it a go. Yeah, so it's on my Lazy Susan, and I'll be using that more so to send the paints round. Trying to keep my hands steady, trying to keep the same amounts coming out each side. I think I should have stayed in the middle. What do you think? Oh, red, white and blue. Australia's colours, the United States, Britain. I think there's a lot of countries' colours are red, white and blue, aren't they? So hopefully some of that turquoise will start to come through. It looks like hurricane. It gives you some really cool effects, doesn't it, without really doing much artistically to it. It's the shape of the cup. I think the pouring, the consistency of the paint's pretty right for this particular method, I'm thinking. What do you think? If you've got any tips or tricks to let me know, I'd be most welcome. Any advice? Now I'm really looking forward to trying the other cups too. There was me thinking there wasn't going to be enough paint in this cup for this large canvas, but it's proven me wrong. There seems to be plenty. Maybe I should have just stayed in the centre, but this is what I felt like doing. So go with your own creative flow instead of what you think everybody else does. You know, it's all well and good seeing everybody's pours, but ultimately the best part about it is trying not to mimic them exactly. Put your own spin on it and make it your own. When's this gonna end? It feels like it's going on for 1 trillion years. It's happening. It's like the TARDIS. It's a lot bigger than you ever realise on the inside. Yeah, I think I did this pour with my double-sided cup, which I bought previously, just a double-sided cup from, I think I got one from Bunnings, which is our like hardware store here in Australia, and I think I got one from Lincraft, which is a craft store. Oh my goodness, I think I'm going to call it quits. Wow, that holds a lot of paint. That has still got more paint in there, and I think that's... Wow, that reminds me of a tree there with the snow. Wowzers, let me give it a spin. See how we go. I'm not that keen on the colours that I've chosen for this particular one, but I can see now it's given me inspiration for colours to make it definitely get the better out of it with nicer, better choice of colours. I think I'll pull this back a bit. Got all the sides covered nearly. Just a few little dabbles. Oh, that's not very even. It's a bit wobbly. I have got my push pins underneath this particular canvas, which keeps it up off the surface, which is always a good idea, so you don't get it sticking to your bottom surface. And of course your masking tape underneath stops the bottom getting dirty. So, wow. Wowzers, trousers. Yeah, I kind of love this look in here, but I'm not so keen on this around. But it's given me other ideas for sure. Yeah, that kind of looks like an abstract tree there in the snow blizzard maybe. But yeah, well, the cup certainly did its job. I didn't do such a good job with the colours, I don't believe. I could have gone better. But as I said, now I've got the gist of how it all works. And I truly did not think there would be enough paint in this one cup to cover that whole canvas, but there was more than enough because I've still got maybe, I don't know, 3 mils in the bottom there. So I will put some photos on of the dry piece and you let me know what you think. I mean, so the idea is now I'll just keep trying different colours with that, and I think next time I will keep pouring the colours into the centre and not go all the way around like I did. But I definitely think with different colours it could look something really special, and it kind of looks, looking at it from above now where my camera is, it kind of looks 3D, like it's got a lot of depth to it. You're falling into the centre, into the sort of the deep hole there in the centre. So that's me done for today. So please, if you haven't subscribed, please do so, absolutely free. and yeah, leave a like and a comment, that would be appreciated. And please be here for my video tomorrow, because I put video out every day, so I'll try something different again tomorrow. So take care, yeah, take care people, and bye for now.